Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to share the essence of the vibrant festival of Holi through beautiful wishes in Sanskrit, along with their meanings in Hindi. Holi is a time for joy, friendship, and the celebration of colors, and what better way to express our sentiments than with heartfelt greetings? Let's dive into the step-by-step journey of crafting these wishes. Step 1. Understanding Holi. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm, and exchanging wishes is a significant part of the festivities. These wishes encapsulate love, happiness, and the spirit of togetherness. Step 2. Traditional Sanskrit wishes. 1. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Hindi meaning, Sabhi sukhi rahein, Sabhi sukhi rahein. Translation, may all beings be happy. 2. Ranganam chittavrittaya. Ranganam chittavartaya. Hindi, meaning Rangon ki khushiyan, Rangon ki khushiyan. Translation, the joys of colors. 3. Shri Ramo Vyogam Kuryat, Shri Ramo Vyogam Kuryat. Hindi, meaning Shri Ram ka milan ho, Shri Ram ka milan ho. Translation, may there be reunions. Step 3. More wishes to share. 4. Ananda samprapyate Holi, Ananda samprapyate hola. Hindi, meaning Holi par anand mile, Holi par anand mile. Translation, may joy be attained on Holi. 5. Sarve mangalmayam bhavatu, Sarve mangalamayam bhavatu. Hindi meaning, Sabhi mangalmay ho, Sabhi mangalmay hon. Translation, may all be prosperous. Step 4. Personal touch. Adding a personal touch to your Holi wishes makes them even more special. You can express your love and affection towards family and friends by combining these wishes with a personal message or by sharing experiences and memories related to Holi. Step 5. Conclusion. Using these beautifully crafted Sanskrit wishes, you can spread love and joy during the celebrations of Holi. Each greeting reflects the spirit of the festival and the joy of sharing happiness with your loved ones. Make sure to share these wishes with friends and family so that everyone can enjoy the beautiful sentiments that Holi brings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to help us continue sharing more exciting content. Happy Holi!